begin the install, I'm going to log into Smartsheet, enter in my reefer information, make and model, along with trailer number. Then from there, I will be taking two pictures. One picture will be the trailer number, along with the reefer make and model. Picture number 2 is going to be with the gateway device, your 2 temp sensors, and your AIM sensor, which is also known as the door. The reason why we'll be taking these pictures of the trailer and the device is to confirm that there is no typo in the field or any miscommunication.